This is our best seller, Tuya Wi-Fi Smart PR Module Sensor Detector, and this is the specifications of this camera, battery not included. So this is PR, and it is on our button, reset button. And now this function we are talking about how to create the routine on Alexa app. So you see we have added this PR motion sensor detector to the Smart Snap app, and this is the interface of this one. And settings, you can see we can set the motion alarm, no battery, and alarm set. So next we're talking about how to create the Alexa, create the routine. And this is a PR sensor. You see, this is a PR sensor. And to create a routine here, and we have already the created routine. When you detect someone, the actual will say someone, you have someone, so we can use this routine. But and also you can add the routine, create the routine by yourself. So you can check and select the device, the PR sensor detector, and the motion detected, connect X and enable this function. Okay, and now routine update is successful, so then we will test it. And now here is motion detected. We will wait when the PR is no motion detected, and we trigger again. And okay, now we trigger this PR. Okay.
You have a visitor.
So you see, when motion detected, the actual will have an announcement. You have a visitor. So thank you.